I hope you had a great Independence Day weekend. I am here at South Padre Island. We are staying in a house. My mom, my brother and his family, my sister and us were here for the entire weekend. We are looking forward to having a blast. I'm gonna take you on a house tour. So if this is something you wanna see, then just keep watching. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Vanessa Lopez, and if you don't know me, I am a mom of four, a full-time transplant administrator. I'm a registered nurse. My channel is really about lifestyle, being a mom, sharing my tips and tricks, really learning things on my own, and then sharing those things with you. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you're notified of all my video uploads. So this is the downstairs section of the beach house. This is the living room. As you can see, all of our stuff is already here. We literally arrived a few minutes ago. We have plenty of ice and plenty of drinks. One thing we didn't like about this beach house is that the temperature kept moving to like 78 degrees. The last day it was like 85. It's crazy. Other than that, it was exceptional. Hi. Now this door leads into one of the bedrooms. This is where my brother's staying. And there's another door over there that you can access this bedroom from the other bedroom. This is the bedroom that we're staying in. Quite spacious. The total of 14 people staying here. This is the bedroom that you can access from the restroom and then from the other bedroom. As you can see, hi. This is a sauna. It's a nice transition to the backyard. This is a closet for some towels. And here we are in the backyard. This little beach cart is going to come in handy. Everybody, as you can see, is already enjoying the water. All of the beach toys. Here's my brother Eric. And this is the hot tub. I don't know what you call this. Would you call this a tandem bike? Let me know in the comments. Now upstairs, as you can see, is completely different from downstairs. It's really nice. It has natural stone countertops. It actually stays much cooler upstairs. We hypothesized that the downstairs used to be just an open area
like I don't know if it was like a carport or something, but they ended up closing it up to make it into a second living space. We're going to get plenty of use out of this kitchen. And we will definitely have a movie night. So each of the living spaces has one full bath and 2 bedrooms. As you can see, this sleeps a lot of kids. This looks like it's a mudroom or something. And let's go check out next door. Another bedroom. This one has a king size bed, closet, and this was actually the only bedroom with a TV. Cleaning supplies. And the washer. And that's it. You can see the beach from here, and there's a backyard. This is a little balcony, and we're back downstairs. This was the perfect beach house minus the thermostat. Peanut butter. You like them? Did you have a fun day at the beach house?
No, we didn't go to the beach house.
This is a beach house.
Oh.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Wait.
What did you like the best about it?
Color.
Swimming or which part? Fireworks, the frog.
Everything.
We stopped at Dollar Tree on the way here and picked up a couple of mesh bags for all the beach toys and some beach toys. Another Dollar Tree purchase. I'm sure you've seen this on Pinterest, but we wanted to test it out. Inverted fitted sheet to keep the sand out. It actually worked like a charm. I didn't see this on Pinterest, but I thought of it once we got here. We use Ziploc bags, like makeshift sandbags or weights for the fitted sheet. Worked out great. We also used a baby pool. We filled it up with water and used it to rinse off our feet before getting onto the beach blanket.
Oh, look at this one too.
Wow.
Wait, what are these, Chad?
I don't know. Be careful.
They didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Hey, what are these, Chad?
Magnets?
Magnets?
Yeah.
They're called magnets. Did everybody try them?
Yeah.
These are magnets too.
On day 2, beach day, it is 3:30 p.m. We had a late start to the day because everybody was exhausted. Half of the group is staying back at the house, half of the group at the beach. Happy 4th!
Testing out another Pinterest hack. Use baby powder to get that pesky sand off. Jackson, do you like the beach? What do you like about it? The ocean and the sand? Once you're done with your makeshift sandbags, dump the sand out and repurpose them as trash bags.
We just got back from the beach. It was hot, but we had a blast. Now we are cooling down. Leo is going to barbecue. He's firing up the pit right now. And the little ones are jumping in the pool. What did you do this 4th of July holiday? Let me know in the comments.
What's your name?
Charcuterie board.
You don't describe and put you in the face.